Welcome to the Glory of Rome, your personal private tour of the Colosseum, Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. This tour is great for school-aged children, adolescents, and of course adults. The tour lasts for 3 hours. We take you in, skip the line ticket entrance. We can also access special entrances such as the arena floor gladiator gate entrance. So the second part of our Glory of Rome tour, the Palatine Hill, which you can see right behind me, and also the Roman Forum. This was the center of the known world, just like what we think of Wall Street being today. We start the tour in the Colosseum and we end up here in the Forum, after which many clients like to go out and get a nice aperitivo, a nice Aperol Spritz. Here is a tip: if you are coming here in summer, in the height of summer, July, August, etc., I suggest that you book the afternoon tour, starting around 3 o'clock, because by the time we end up here, number one, the light is fantastic and it's much cooler. So what are the benefits of a luxe private tour? Well, first of all, it's just you and your family or your party, no one else actually on the tour. This allows us to customize the tour either before the tour or during the tour itself. If you want to stop, if you want to look at things in more detail, we are able to do that. We can also customize to having children, small children, adolescents, as well as those that are young at heart. Join us on this very special private once-in-a-lifetime experience of the Colosseum, Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. So book with us now. You can either book directly on our website or email us if you'd like a customized itinerary. Remember, we do private tours not just in Rome and the Vatican, but also in Florence, Venice, Pompeii and Naples.